secure all loose items when riding Skyfall. No phones, vapes,
Yes,
hats.
we're doing it one more time. The final ride of the day, Skyfall.
Are you ready to take on the tallest ride?
This thing that still absolutely terrifies me. Should they just drop us on here? Actually, oh goodness, I forgot how high this is. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're at the 60-metre mark now because we're in line of push to max. Okay, I forgot how bad this is. I actually forgot how high this is. This was a terrible decision. And we're at the top. Yep, we're at the top. Oh, here we go, guys. One. Come on. Any second. Any goodness second. Any second. Where's the countdown?
Oh, this is right.
Where's the countdown? Oh, here we go. Oh!